Hey guys, what's up? I'm Sunil here and today I have OnePlus 6 with me. So let's unbox it and talk about it. So here is the box in flash, guys. It's pure white, typical OnePlus box. So at the bottom you can see the model number and the color. It's a midnight black version. Month of manufacturing is May 2018. 40,000 retail price, and it contains mobile phone, USB cable, charger, and it also has a TPU protective case. Okay, so this is new for OnePlus 6. And a quick starter guide, safety information, SIM tray ejector, regular things. And then it's manufactured by Oppo Mobile India Private Limited. It's in Noida, and then the exclusive service centers list. So that's on the box. In the back again about the model, it's a midnight black, 128 GB and 8 GB variant, and then the basic packing details. So let's open this box. So we'll just slide it. And in typical OnePlus fashion, we have a phone at the top. Oh, it's quite a snug fit. And if you can see, the screen protector is already applied. And here is the first look of the midnight black. For a moment we will keep it aside and see what's inside the box. So in this box, okay, so here is your back cover. It's a transparent rubberized back cover, and then you have SIM ejector pin and some paperwork, so we'll not bother about the paperwork. And then the famous USB Type-C OnePlus cable and a dash charger. Yeah. So the dash charger in OnePlus 6 case is also rated at 4 ampere. The output is 4 ampere, so it's very similar to the old ones. So let's bring back our phone and boot it for the first time. So you can see the display. There is the famous notch, but this notch is smaller than many other phone. I mean, it's definitely smaller than iPhone 10. So the notch is there, but it's very small. It's full screen. So let's quickly set up this phone, guys. So language, by default it's English, United States, but if we'll check the options, we can see all the international languages, and plus we even have Indian local languages like Marathi, Hindi, some South Indian languages, Gujarati, Punjabi, and then the South or the other Asian languages. So that's quite good. I mean, at the start only you can choose your local language if you want. For the moment we'll stick with the English, and then there is an option called vision setting. If I'll click on that, okay, straight away I can change how the gesture will work. I mean, OnePlus 6 comes with the new gesture settings, so I can set them here, and then the font size, display size. Let's go into the display size, and it shows, okay, so by default the notch is covered, only the notification bars are there, but then the apps are using the full display. So these are the settings, and talk back, select to speak. So these are the settings available at the configuration mode. This is quite nice. I mean, this should be done by every phone, I guess. And then here you have font options. This is also new for OnePlus and for almost any other mobile phone. I mean, who gives you an option to choose font, man? Okay, so let's check out this thing. So this is robot and this is OnePlus Lite, the recommend one. So we'll go with the recommend one for now. Then this is all your privacy and end user license agreements. Yes, agree. And then user experience program. Yes, I am in. System stability program. Yes, I am in. Push notifications for right now. Yes, I'm in. I can disable that later. Connect mobile network. For now we'll skip it. Copy app data and yeah, set up as a new. Connecting Wi-Fi, skip. We'll connect it later and configure the phone. Date, time, name. This is my friend's phone, Amit, so I'll just put his name right now, and thanks for him to allow me to shoot this video. We'll skip the face data and all these things right now. Okay, agree all the terms and conditions, and here are the first. Okay, he wants the permission for photo, media and file device. Okay, we'll allow it. So here is the first view of the OnePlus 6 and it looks quite nice, man. I mean, I know this is probably one of the best 1080p screen right now in mobile world, and it looks crisp and colorful. So this is your Oxygen OS. This is 8.1 Oreo. So let's look at the apps pre-installed. So we have all the Google apps pre-installed, and then that's it. It's pretty much stock Android, and that's the good thing about Oxygen OS. I mean, it's very stock Androids plus few features from OnePlus, and they are very handy tools. I mean, they are actually good. They make your life good. So let's go to setting. So let's go to about phone and check out the things. So OnePlus 6, yeah, the model number is A6000. The Oxygen OS is 5.1, which is basically Oreo 8.1 at 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and here is, I mean, your 8.1 Oreo, and then the other informations. So this is what the stock phone is. Now from here onward you can customize it as per your taste. So the first impressions are, guys, I mean, the phone looks great. It's probably one of the best or better built phones right now in market, and this time OnePlus has done amazing job in fit and finish. The build quality of this phone is much better than 3 or 3T, or even a huge improvement over the 5T. So yes, the build quality is great. And look at this finish. I mean, it's a matte finish, but it's actually a glass. So OnePlus has done some interesting bit in manufacturing to give it a matte look. I mean, it's a glass, but you can't say it's a glass by looking at it. So matte in finish. By touching it, it gives a different texture. It doesn't feel metal, but it's also not feel like a glass. But then, I mean, by going through spec sheet, we know that it's a glass. So great thumbs up for OnePlus to do this. And as you guys might be knowing, it's running Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, this particular model, and then 128GB hard disk. The rear shooters are 16 megapixel primary camera and the 20 megapixel secondary camera. Front camera is 16 megapixel, and the screen is 19:9 display. I mean, the ratio, it is 1080 by 2280 display. It's very crisp, great phone. So that's it from this video, guys. I will use this phone for a couple of days and then come back with more detailed reviews and my views about this phone. Till then, take care, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and post your opinions in comment section. I'll try to reply them all. So I'll see you later. Till then, take care, enjoy, bye bye.